This 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge, Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chevrolet is powered by all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, gas i3 1.3 in engine, and has 46,240 miles. Discover adventure in a 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Efficient, stylish, and ready for your next journey. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.